And channel me catch them say there was beef be I say baller suja but na ba ko adwene ma beef ne so e ma finally ba ko adwene ba so Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin adwene ba beef na Twene Jonas e person on ne ko because na Twene Edin Nkansah 10 from 2024 5 6 but na Nkansah kan but eno echi no na Nkansah e be reply Twene Jonas e to two bipa e de man no as a Sunday warning e de man no busia Twene aba reply to that warning na Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin e de ba ye no Twene Jonas wa be reply ama me dance enya da ne beef e man kire mu no a kire wa adwen e de ama me e wo comment section hi PENYAH block media best say ni di mo obe like video no that my bros subscribe button sabe click notification icon no flickers update time be kire wa adwen da ama me e wo comment section oba so na she force onya bia hwe me kan phone nala money send app and de ama o USA o UK open send ka edikofia nala for say omo dwene omo do no mo pese o pese mo chew ska kwa introducing promo code no PENYAH TV de guso ase ho na PENYAH TV na use as a promo code ever send ska ekofi no mo chew $20 free o send ska kofi no na nala for so e chew $20 e nala nko a wan kasa twa app to phone so the register na ever send ska na be chew ska free. Let's go to the service abaka enra Anam Brovra Katro said, Twene Jonas, from time to time, from 2024, air there, where did Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, where did not tell Musa Abra, a country called Ghana, and move premiano, or the car Ekonya accident, Twene Bedina tem.
Asia, why a movie and Jessica, Yaniba, Mobroni Waba, Wakotoka, Tobuasi, wouldn't say Ghana, quite yet. Jimmy, what the IGP can't find a question on some tremas or Kumnipa, or being Kumnipa, Nanti free. I am Kwasiasem. And no, you stand to the eye. Why you stand to the eye? Sakwasiano say, or you believe Piero. Nkana
Abra, Ogo Kanko, Kumano, they are wasting one seminal. Hey, Twene Ebedi Nkansah tem.
And the Kwakumanu, if you was here, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, Jimmy, also any brainy. Sianas, oh, when you crack, Kwadwo Nkansah, who see movie mu, and yet, oh, yes, star, only a Jakumun 80 penny, Kwadwo Nkansah, Kwakumanu, crowd was return.
Abra and Nkansah if you nigga ebenya bantano Twene Ebedi Nkansah tem.
Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin tie me ye so fufufu no se ona na feedu tie me ye bro ho ase na de wo ye no emwa kwase mpanyin na odi na chi na wo kontokwa ma no onim se oye kronfo munyina na mo ya krono no munyina na mbo krono no adom che edu ya Yesu bi anka nche no so bolo 1 cedi no turn 1 billion 2 billion munyina mo ya kronfo oni agrada di also adom chedu ya kwase mpanyin oni agrada difference wan
Emma just say Nkansah crowd drop enwum bi Emma Philadelphia na enwum na so eyakuti anyum Twene abeka kana kire Nkansah
am the one man baba Lilwin Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin enwum na wakoye no akuti anyum delete na Ghana ni bi antown obia pese wo ye den wo ye wo jai de wo ye no because at the end of the day de okoye ye no number 1 we lose car no Mercedes Benz me de yesi wo me nyimi ya me fan kokum nipa no me de yesi wo
from time to time bi ade na Twene Eden Nkansah adane toothpick edin yi nisim bo bona adwen kire ne sa tan just say onya that solid di me dia ne de Eden Nkansah adane twia pia na say Eden Nkansah adane twia pia tua na no sa bo bona adwen sa ba de nyina say na aha Nkansah bana Nkansah was looking for the right time to reply to Twene Jonas enti wake up aye boy no Ghana enra ye ni Croatia ko boy ya just say Jimmy ye bobo ya ko tournament mombe mo ball no enwe ni amose han ya reni a ye kwehia Portugal and the Portugal is not our match enti ane ye ntimi no Portugal emo enti ane ye nhye da ma Croatia enhye so that ye best keep ye best swerve Portugal na ye ni Colombia akobo mi wa Colombia na wu dwane no enra oni Portugal boy ye Portugal na wu suro Portugal ntima se Portugal ni Colombia ball draw Colombia na wo se off man e di Portugal de won't be nkohia no but Colombia de betima hye no enra Colombia ni Portugal omu ball draw Ghana grow and so concept sa ye ball tournament ye dey nje be ball no ehu na di bom ehu eya so na Ayɛka na this tournament na ye no Ghana ko ball bi wo Philadelphia no I say ni Croatia ko ball ya omu share ye no on say na ye ne England everybody ka book ye ne England e ko ball Boston Sports Stadium in Massachusetts USA e ko na right after game no Nkansah amafi na o sa twen game na ye ni Croatia we ball e wo Philadelphia no na o twen it o wa twen yem na o de ka kwasra chewa e ko ma na iska
me ba se mo ba mommy aha Mr. Fatchamati, a bomb person in a woman to Semeska, who are Palaman. Oh, born in tea, if you do a ray. Now, young woman may legend meet him in Kuya. Fatcham Semedia, and you can watch it. If I find a Fatcham, I've grown. Yay, boss, my idea. When you must also, and you man also and Cosmawati. Via the clock. I hear you playing. Now, what I do, Mamma? Oh, sir.
No free chair or banner street neso and no best or TikTok live in the honor. Or board now being particular Twene Jonas as a true challenge Emano.
Bijna Town Square. Chutupian millionaire Bemoha. I'll beat you. Jonas, we are Bama Utopia. Twene Jonas. Ghana and we are Ghana. What's my time sign? I'm a 12. When you're Bama. On Timber Ghana about America. Nema ba America Twene Jonas. Osu Abama Abragana. Ne ba asa kofie. Osu Abama Bragana na sabraha. Akaba to samia. Jonas. Bijna gas nko akurom. Si here. Efra Town Square, America New York City. Ahana Mesada. Ayana Mesada. Twene Jonas, Ayana Mesada. Uya Bema. Twene Jonas, Uya Bema. Yay. Ani aba America. Ya tuwa Uya Bema YouTubera ha. Now we are to Ghana. You two are Ghana. Let's go Ghana. Yeah, Ghana. Ghana win.
Hello, Kodru Fieno. And so I'll drop you another video.
I feel Twene Jonas. What do my terms are? Minimum can say if Ghana about America. Baby, I'm in New York City. You're for Town Square. I don't know a video, no? Gas and quan. Fitinua, my bonny young also, me moon, untimi shiame, where Bema will shiame. Utame dawa house no, untimi na nebody. Want me a match on Ghana, where Bema on some Ghana, no Sam America, Mifi Ghana about America. Messako Ghana, on say Bema, on from America, I'm not Ghana, Sam America. Where Ghana ni, where Bema swa, Omisha Philadelphia, Philly, coming Saturday match, no. Ghana. I feel who is a man? Who say man or day? My day, Papa, we day here, Papa. Who is coming? Who? 1,000. Are they here? Twene Jonas. Me know what him. Make a sense that. Na gas nkwa after gas nkwa so and one high sense nkwa bemot nkwa where from nkwa baby I'm done ni mo hwade oba America no ameda ha wa ma area fra Town Square hana America da kese ni nyina egu hana akwana me train bobo dan no eni me da view me hotel ni onza oba America na wa meda New York City and I want to go to the Queenie. We see some of them. Twimberima Edaha. Abu Salam Edaha. As a foot that have been we 12 that be a mammy who sat out. No one New York City Hanoma. Now the outside New York City Hanum, the Queenie. We see some of them. What I say? Yes, it's not Twene Jonas. About unity any. What I say? Yes, okay. Anamda. I just say, yes. It's moved to me. We go straight in our pet. Straight in the honor. We are not here life, no. It's more moon you Twene Jonas, no. We are Monton come and say, the one man fighter, the serious guy, the best actor, the best comedian, the favorite actor in Ghana, in the world, in the Africa. I'll tell you what about America. Where Bema ene about 1 something. Ghana about 5 something. Where Bema omi show town square street in him. Twene Jonas near Fanjem. Jonah, yeah, Fanjem. Let's meet at town square street in him. Me ahead of that. Within 1 minute, when I tell the street this year, share me, open DM me, test me. If I see any our town square inside here, Twene, we are Ghanaian, and soon to Ghana, but overhead them. Yaba, you have life, our stadium. Yaba, Boston, Yahweh. Yes, I go ahead Philadelphia, and Croatia. We are Ghana, and it's all Ghanaian part. We are Bema. Into Mudia, share Philly Stadium. You go see what at the sea. My party, you they hear what they hear. Mini Bermano. Jonas, mini Bermano. I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the man. With Ghana, Abba America, Abba Ukro, Abba Hoodum, no Hoodum, New York City. Shiame Twene. Twene Shiame Mabaha Mesako Ozu Ebema Bragana Nesabra America Agabati We are Bema Yesho Philly near her match Agabati Twene Menono Mama for some big deal at him Mama for some cassette. It would seem and I want to man, Manam Kojawa, and Medimatim. Less. Now, one day, when internet in Ghana, with is Emma Bagana. Love you guys, okay? I love you guys. Coming Saturday, Ghana Black Stars.
As I can argue into that, Twene, as actually a bear man, Ombra Bontene. Or Pakra won't tune and see Ghana or no, Larian, what Timaba, USA Montana, as I could fear. I break or back, I went to mention, oh, your bear man, or ba, Besiano, and now, oh, your bear man, also Bragana, Nanka be ready, womb. I say, and Nkansah ever throw such a challenge, Emma Twene, and rich. Now, I know that was a video, now, to Jonas another way. And Nkansah, now, we could be for me. Maybe to help me, not confirm me. We didn't say much, I back at Nkansah.
Of course, I say. Kwadwo Nkansah is insulting you, yeah. I said, me, granny. Oh, no. Open my sebo. But I end this in Jimmy Jano. Well, Jimmy fucking Kwadwo Nkansah. Ne who say crampa. Munganya is me say ne sase kotokro. Munganya me say ne sase kotokro. Or here open me. He say waba America ni bi say na end this in John Mahama be say take ti amom free some ball. Intia dia say America na Jimmy when say America no. No one Twene Jonas is the owner. Nti wa ba ne de wa mfama begimi a obi ahu so aba brochiri mponti eze oya na mikoshi anu tira nkofo. It makes sense. Men kra ni so mo kwa akobu obi akọ china wo ne sika miamia na mse omunya na Ghana for bobo nti sise o ma begu anu mugimi every 1 minute bi aban ba na me catch us special M division badge na bo ya me hira broni na mse omunya o mu na mo bi ankoye obi ahwe ze Ghana for na bobo ndi o ma begu ande eden a ese o mu di migimi se ebe ya obi a beti o mu nkase o mu so aba America ni bi because the owner of the United States is the almighty Twene Jonas. What is here? Trump question. What is here? Having a Michelle be a glass and qua. Nami children, catch us the police are from us in a born on making sure a chronomy and neat near the other. And to Kwadwo Nkansah, what panta so you why you crown time you free. Ghana goalkeeper sal crown of a channel. As she am finding. Oh, permanent magic fans Kenya say. Oh, how many from me? Yee. I just say we are Timobia. Anya enkwaya lewe humunya no na ono oye comedian o entertain Ghana fo nyina entimo bi anya ne humunya no na one nam ho onye threat bia ma the almighty or just a fan of the almighty but on team choosing between John Mahama and Twene Jonas one say meme no obi apese o man ye yo Nti ono ni Jimmy, even though say we NDC ni so that super masem still nti no Jimmy. What they say o person o share me no the make picture na ono nso asebi. We share the almighty heaven harmony. Of course Times Square na on ya mention bibia. Ti e ba nyina malambia ni so bia ni so. Yeah, Koya Jumana Danis Canina was in Yamisha Bibia. And Kwadwo Nkansah is not an enemy of Twene Jonas. Why? Munyano now anything on family is it is what it is. Semi superstar to be ad medidi. Medini did you I say tear normal. John Mahama Ibrahim or anything. Or bumpires or bow baby bishami. Nanka or anything. Wajani Baba Yana Mamma Nasi Mekan front. Nama Piame phones in the good from Babina. Or da me chimstia ina me chimne no for kakra krafra me chimstia ina me chimne no for kakra krafra ti what they say omu nyina they look up to me what they say Ghana mpanifo Ghana ministers omu nyina me nkra what they say me fire omu nyina omu suro me what they say don't get me wrong when I call fire John Mahama Ibrahim amre national skit for Jimmy for na be fa the oko so we criminal oko dem abro nya de na omu fanye no why den nya John Mahama no di na tem. But the almighty, you know, Matima Muslim. Kwadwo Nkansah, or Pantai, so you are free. What about America? Persona her born, Niger Jimeno. All I say, open so women are so many ways. I'll be first for women. Niger is a obedi my time, yes, sir. Now we don't go for him. What I say, meanwhile, so you are not an enemy. We are entertainer. Into Jimena is entertaining. We free your mama. And Namana says, I take your mama. Monya day. Why are they say all the money na begu America because money na mo begu blasters for in China be motivate you no ma yiro mo abobo de enkunim dia bregana nti John Mahama no de why are they na wunu Ibrahim Mahama ofui no odwan no mate se si a ese mfaso ya aba no so akogina ho dada blasters se sika na wawia no Ghana diamond Ghana bauxite Ghana ai yeah, you mean no as in Sikana where we are no afraid you also best Sabia my blaster players into why are there? Why I say we are crown for now we are now may scan be there. Would be a crama minor. A year bepo asem by ni Jimmy media Jan ni say Unianum tafui esukaya you and in them Kumasi Gubridge I say mobile month me adwuma mom 24-hour economy mo discani na akoto private jet namne de aka atweka overload ntafo egu private jet mbehwiom gu America by now come abla bo besisi omu ye become ne nam Ghana wa amfaso bi ani muso adwuma bi ani wa mu bi amom o Ibrahim Mahama ofui eni kwase odi abro unuanom ntafo yi omo ho den kan mo mbedu America o mbetimi afa wom akwa clinic omo abla bo besisi omu ye no ma besisi dan wo sirem dan se wonko a ofui when your opportunity no we are sika akoto private jet o ba wonko amentenam kwaku oba eni abro nti the first say sika na we ano da man insuo na ho say no what dey say Ghana Bauxite Limited sika na we ano be ma blasters fo ni bi no ama ma pe asem sa na ye pe no mo ya akronfo na mo wi sika na mo ni nyina atofie ma mahawofo na obi ebra sa na ye bedi matem ne mo nkwase ama na mo to cars ene ye bedi matem ba se Ghana ni benya mfaso a we go to appreciate you until the first say Udu Jimmy Kwajina hono players ni nim say yes kan omu nim say omu nananom ni ompapa koko sika na mawia e de akoto private jet na besi wonti omu nim say yes kan nti abe encourage omu what dey say am omu yiro mu abobo ni of course you know what it is. The England match Ghana had multiple penalties and your referee decided to rob us. I don't know if you told the referee to rob Ghana because it's England. This time don't be fool again. Yeah, all of you share this portion of video and tag FIFA president. Tell him Twene Jonas, the Almighty. I'm telling him that he should be fair and stop being stupid. If black man is playing with the white man, he want to rob us. What kind of nonsense is that? It's not fair. It's not fair to us. It has to be a fair match. Everybody is talking about England robbing Ghana. Is it not disgrace to the tournament? Make sure this does not happen again going forward. Everybody can do a mistake, and if you do a mistake, you need to learn from your mistake. FIFA, this is a big mistake you did, and we don't want this to happen again. I'm telling you, if this happen again, I'll bring you hottest warm up. This is just a basic warning. I'm telling you, the Almighty is the most powerful. Share this portion of the video and the warm up to FIFA president that the Almighty has spoken. Of course, you know what it is. Glass and Kwan, every now and then. I'm sure we be as well. Now me catch the obi nim so Jimmy ye. O di Jimmy sa kofa mani ama wa sometime no. Uko jina so dem a ya zan no Kwan fa wo yire nkotena ho. Anya obi a ne catch yourself akwase akoka se wu a ma wo yire nsi aye na se. Eye wa sore ma ene wa hya ofuo Kwan na emra. Wo di Jimmy akoka nkwase asem na Ghana fo horo a. Enye oba ni na eton oba ni na mo nyina obi anka wasem
we better tell what you know, Eddie Amame. Comment section. Hi, PENYAH Media.